Got a Copper River King here. Boy, that my relative or my wife's relative gave us. Oh, whoa, look at this thing. Copper River King. It's the best of the best. So, I'm going to cut this up. Hopefully I won't butcher it too much and lose all this meat, but I'm going to run it along this backbone here. I already scaled it like that. There we go. Not bad. We're going to do the other side here. Oh, thanks, Jeff, for doing this. This is a beautiful fish. Wow. Look at that slab. Dang. That's not bad. It looks worse, but it's just the membrane there. Got that little bit. You can grill that. Ooh, that looks good. I'm not going to waste anything. All right. Let's cut it this way. So we only have 4 people eating today. That. And there we go. Wow. Copper River King. I bet this is at least 20 bucks a pound. Wow. Look at that chunk of meat. It's a little red pre-spawn, but oh boy, you can't beat that. That sure looks good. My goodness. Look at the size of that. Jeez. Wow. We're talking Copper River. This is gourmet. With the fat content. I'm just going to grill this up teriyaki style. Wow. Happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Happy Thanksgiving. Sure there's no scales. I didn't really wash it. Gotta keep it as dry as possible. Boy, it is just gorgeous. Next, add a little teriyaki sauce. Got some low sodium soy sauce there. Some more teriyaki sauce. Brown sugar. A little oyster sauce. Yeah, good thing I got to stabilize the camera, huh? Alright, Oyster sauce. Some olive oil so it doesn't stick to the grill. All those high fat content. And there we go. Let's mix it up. Oh my goodness. Break up those chunks of sugar. And we're going to marinate it for as long as you possibly can. But we're going to eat today, so only got a few hours. This piece is a little big. Let's try to cut it. Hopefully it works. Oh yeah, perfect. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome. Awesome. So this came frozen and from Alaska. In butcher paper. White butcher paper and a vacuum packed bag. And it lasted well over a year. Year and a half now. It's been a few hours. Looks awesome. Look at the size of those. Dang. Gonna let it rest. Put these babies on a well-oiled grill. Oh my goodness. So it's skin side up for now. Ooh, it's not gonna fit. Oh, barely. Put that on later. Thin piece. Just make sure that they slide around. I think they're good without sticking. Oh yeah, God, look at that. Whoa. Oh, that's beautiful. Don't have it cranked up, just kind of in the middle. It's about 200. I still haven't flipped it. It's been about 30 minutes. I think I'll flip it on the side. Ooh, wow, look at that. Whoa. Oh, wow, that one's good. Whoa. Oh, wow. These are pretty much looking like they're done. But you can overcook it, right? So wow, it's like flaking apart. I think it's pretty much ready. If you look at that part, it definitely flaked apart, and so it's pretty much done. Start taking it off. I think we're ready to eat. King salmon from Copper River. It's like the best in the world.
Oh my God.
The best in the world.
Thank you for the food.
Okay.
It's really good.
How's the salmon?
Oh, the best. Look at the salmon. It's juicy.
Awesome, thanks, Lee.
Yeah, it's very good.
All right, so yeah, there we go. We got a nice Copper River King. This is the bony part. Oh my God, it's delicious, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's excellent.